very, very beautiful estate here.
What is up guys, Julien here of Social Vignerons, back with another wine video, and welcome to my wine school here on YouTube, where I share the passion and knowledge of wine. I am a French winemaker and wine writer and founder of one of the most popular wine blogs in the world that is called socialvignerons.com, and today we are going to be looking at how to pronounce the name of the most famous of all white wines in the world, and also the name of the French grape Chardonnay, how to pronounce it correctly and how not to pronounce it incorrectly. Let's go!
The most famous wine type in the world, Chardonnay. Some fantastic white wines made from Chardonnay all around the world simply, including in its region of origin in France, Burgundy, like the Chablis and Meursault wines. Chardonnay also makes the most expensive whites in the world, in Burgundy, the Montrachet and Corton. Chardonnay, or in French, Chardonnay. How not to pronounce Chardonnay? Well, I don't think you can mispronounce that one all that much. Maybe Chardonnay? No, rather Chardonnay.
And that's it for today's little wine class. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking at learning more about wine pronunciation, check out my top 40 wine words video that will show up right at the end of this very video. And if more generally you like learning more about what makes your vino special, different grapes, different regions, different wine style, well, have a look around my YouTube channel, where I am sharing bit by bit everything that I know about wine. And make sure, more importantly, make sure to dislike this video if you did, or like it if you liked it. If you enjoyed the learning and the sharing, make sure to hit that little like button to support my work and the learning, the wine learning and sharing experience. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Cheers! Santé!